In today's world, learning doesn't stop at graduation. It's constant, it's evolving, and it's everywhere. But how do you prove what you know, especially when you're learning in smaller, faster, more flexible ways? That's where digital credentials come in. Digital credentials are online verifiable records of achievement. They can represent anything from completing a course to mastering a skill or reaching a professional milestone. Unlike paper certificates, digital credentials are built for the modern world. They're portable, secure, and easy to share across platforms, devices, and networks. Why are digital credentials so important for adult learners? First, because they're stackable. Instead of one giant degree every few years, learners earn micro-credentials over time. Each badge represents a new skill, a new win, or a new step forward. Together, they build a full picture of growth, just like stacking building blocks into a career. Second, they're portable. You can post them on LinkedIn, embed them in your resume, or showcase them on your website or e-portfolio. Wherever opportunity lives, your learning travels with you. Third, they're verifiable and trustworthy. Many digital credentials are backed by blockchain or secure verification platforms. That means employers, clients, and peers can instantly confirm that the credential is real and earned. No more wondering if a certificate is legitimate. It's right there, backed by data. Fourth, they shift the question from where did you go to school to what can you actually do? That's a big deal in a world where practical skills often matter more than formal titles. Digital credentials are also more precise. Instead of a general degree, you can earn badges for specific competencies. Critical thinking, conflict resolution, project management, software skills, you name it. This level of granularity gives learners freedom. You don't have to enroll in a full program. You can pursue just the skills you need when you need them. It's learning on your terms. For educators and course creators, digital credentials offer a whole new level of engagement. They help track outcomes, highlight what learners value most, and add visibility to your programs. When learners share badges, they're also promoting your course or institution. It's a win-win. Recognition for them, reach for you. So how do you start using digital credentials? 1. Choose a platform. Some popular options include Credly, Accredible, Badger, and Open Badge Factory. These platforms help you issue, track, and manage digital credentials with ease. 2. Define your criteria. What exactly does someone need to do to earn this badge? Be clear. Tie the credential to specific outcomes, skills, or assessments. 3. Design the credential. Make it visually appealing and include metadata, name, issuing body, date earned, criteria met, and links to evidence or proof. 4. Integrate it into your course. Let learners know from the start what they'll earn and how they can use it. This boosts motivation and gives them a tangible goal to work toward. 5. Encourage sharing. Once earned, digital credentials should be displayed. Build a culture of recognition where learners proudly showcase their achievements. And what about employers? They're on board too. More companies are recognizing micro-credentials and digital badges as valid signals of skill and readiness, especially when hiring for roles that require up-to-date practical knowledge. The bottom line? Digital credentials don't just certify learning. They unlock opportunities. They empower learners to take control of their professional story and to share it with confidence. As education becomes more modular, global, and skill-based, digital credentials offer the trust, flexibility, and visibility learners need. This is more than a new tool. It's a new language for recognizing growth. And for the future of adult education, it's a future worth embracing.